Hello, ladies and gents. Let me take this opportunity to check something that I researched maybe last week, and then I forgot where did I put my code. Let me check if we have. But if we don't have, let's just make a video right now. So, can you help me find an iframe here? Is there any iframe? Iframe, basic, CSS, iframe, iframe. No iframe, iframe, NGX, iframe, iframe. No, there is none that my eyes can see. So let's pull. Okay, now let's create a new folder, mkdir angular iframe. Go to angular iframe. Then let's create the ng new web host. All right. Ah, ah. So yeah, while waiting for it to install, I'll try to play some guitar, and I'll tell you what I'm watching right now. So I'm watching HBO Go, and the title of this series is Love and Death, I think. The main actress is Elizabeth Olsen, the Scarlet Witch in the Avengers. So I just realized that it's not good, or it's not nice, or having a skinny wife is not. I'm not into skinny wives. So if you have a wife and your wife is skinny, doesn't look doesn't look nice to me. The wife should be a little bit chubby. So watching Elizabeth Olsen here, and she's still skinny. She doesn't look like a wife. She doesn't look like she really had uh, a children, because in real life, I think she doesn't have any child yet. Angie new web host, web child. So that will be an iframe. Sure. Right. So let's open up our web host and then let's open the code, then ng serve. Yaya mo akong masyadong. Ang sabi mo kasi, kailangan mo ng kasama. Alright, so let's open up. Hopefully, nothing will come up that is unintended in the URL. So this is the web host, alright? This one here is the Angular. We don't need that yet. And this one here, we are going to, what's this? Get, okay, let's try that. And remove the entire thing. Oops. Alright. Okay. And then, let's try to create let's just do it from here. Let's create ng generate component dashboard standalone. Right, so so we're going to create a route here. Path, load component, load component, load component, and then dashboard. Dashboard. All right. So now let's load some Angular material. Install Angular material. Install Angular material for Angular 15. So you can do that by installing this. Yeah, let's just stop this for now. Right. ng add Angular material. Right, so we got our things get updated. We're going to ng serve again. Alright, so we got it installed. Let us call the modal. Where is our modal? Is it a modal? Was it called a modal in? Yeah, I think it's a dialogue. Right, dialogue. Alright, so let's create another. So okay, let's first put a button. The button. So the API, or this is how we're going to call it here in our standalone component. We're going to import the button, and in our example here, we're going to get one button and then put it here. Oops. Right. Skip intro. Alright. Let's add a color. This one here, the primary. Boom, boom, boom. I'll be here a while. Going nowhere. I'll be here a while. Okay, so when we click this, it should launch a modal. Right, so when I click launch modal. Okay, so let's go to the dialogue. Boom, 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 boom. We might be upon the ground. I lose myself and way and sound. Spider love, keep going. Spider love, keep going. Right, so open dialogue. We want to open it via here. Is it possible to do that via here? I'll click open dialogue. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Open dialogue. So open dialogue. Do we have an open dialogue? Open dialogue. Yeah. So this one here. Okay. So we have to call that. Right. And then here, this dialogue. It's here. Oops. Can we remove this? or maybe remove this entire thing. And yeah, we want to um, generate component, standalone. This is the model dialog. Right, and then let us. Do we have to import them? Let's try. Not by it. Let's try now importing. Let's just open the modal dialog. Alright, so that. Right, so it was open, and then let us use the dialog HTML here. Let's put that here in the modal. Click that, so it's there. Okay. Next is what else? Okay, so next is what we want to do is. What do we want to do next? So in this one, yeah, instead of putting this content here, we want to use an iframe. Right, so let's close that one and then go to our Angular iframe. Okay, and then go to web child, right, and then do the entire thing that we did here. Yeah, this one here. Right. The package Angular 16. Oh, it's now 16. Will be installed and executed. File compatibility package version. Alright, so we got that. This one here. Let's open this. Don't see about. Don't see about. To my head, my baby, that's been me. And then this one here is generate component. Query builder. query builder. Alright, so let us ng serve this, and then so instead of opening this or that HTML, we're now going to do an iframe here, and then our source is http localhost 3200, and that will load our this one, and this one will just be ng serve. Right, we got oh yeah, so we have that, and let's open our localhost 3200. Right, so query builder. When we launch this, it should do, okay, so that is the query builder. Now we want to um so why is it in yeah, so this one here, launch modal, open modal dialog. So yeah, this one here is already in um, this is already enclosed in a modal. So this one here is the one controlling the layout of that sysmat dialog, and you can yeah. So our scenario is not applicable on this setup here because we're using uh, proprietary library. So instead, what we want to do is just to check if we can get an event um, if we have a button here. So for example, okay, so this one here is post message. Change it to post. Okay, so this one, this is the child. So let's put this here, and then the other one is here. So we want to get an event in the main, in the host. This one here, when we click this, we should be able to get where's our console here? Yeah, so we get, when we click this, we should be able to get a listener here. We should have a listener. Maybe where is our This is where our iframe is, so we want to have a listener here.
That said, there are three people in the world.
And
Pastor, your doctor, and your lawyer. So,
our code for that is we should have an angler listener, host listener.
you're covering up something.
Alright, so let me check for that code. Alone, edited it, change on me.
Has a way of coming out.
And
I need to be prepared.
then,
If you walk in on something and get scared. Gammy. You're sure? Positive. How can you be positive?
Because I did it. I did it.
I don't believe you.
She. Even me. So I did it.
That doesn't know.
Honest person, even tell the police for my own good.
Then you definitely do not tell Pat. You understand? You tell nobody. The only person you talk to about this is me.
Okay, so we got it. So we just need a listener here.
Also,
Change on me. Host listener. Host
Church
listener.
parking lot, but I've never tried a criminal case in my life. I'm a personal injury guy. You're gonna need an experienced criminal attorney. And I got a young
Window
kids that
message.
but we may need to get somebody beyond that.
Then here is our
Serious.
Bill, I want someone that I can trust. I want
event.
Candy, you need a real criminal attorney.
I want you.
Do you know who caused your wife's death?
No. We went outside at the dock
You just got a puppy, yes.
On or about June 13th, 1980. Or you're yourself the one who caused your wife's death?
No. After you pet the puppy, we went into the utility room to get a list of swimsuit.
Yes.
At the time your wife was killed, were you physically present in the home?
No. Is that when you cut your foot? In the utility room?
Did you plan or set up with anyone to have your wife killed?
No. Did you cut your foot in the utility room?
I don't want to talk about that.
No.
I don't talk about anything that happened in that room.
No.
Okay, so now we want to
Like to hear from
Well, if something
get
appears to you,
in
something hurts you would maybe spoke to.
event. Chains on me. Chains on me.
Hey, what happened to that pair of thongs?
I gave those to the police.
Chains on me.
I threw them away. A while ago, I don't know.
I'm just gonna run away. I can get
Curious
you.
all of a sudden.
You're right. I get you.
Maybe if I'd been a little more curious before, we wouldn't be in this situation.
What's that supposed to mean?
It's supposed to mean what it means, kid.
I don't like this town.
I'm wondering if you maybe got some split personality or something.
Have you seen signs of that before?
Never. She's like the most normal person on the planet.
Word is Alan Gore passed his polygraph.
What are they waiting for then?
I don't know. I'm also hearing that he was universally unliked. At the church, at the school where she taught, they could still be running down leads, going through the process of elimination.
All right. So it's just
Eliminate
a
people and take an axe to her. How long can
yeah,
this
this one
be?
here. It's just parent dot
Do people actually think that I'm involved in this? Of course they don't. The people in this town know you, Candy. They know that the idea it's ridiculous. But you know that I'm innocent, don't you? Of course I do. I couldn't do that.
right. So this one, let's check.
Hello?
Andy, I'm afraid it's happening. They just issued a warrant for your arrest. Are you there?
Right. Post.
I'm here.
Okay. I'm
Failed
passing
to
the phone to
execute
Robert.
post message on
This is
window.
it.
Invalid target origin. Hello world.
Annie, after we hang up, get yourself to Don's office right away. We want to have positive control over the surrender.
What that?
Where's Pat?
At work.
Okay, call him. The bond will be set for $100,000. That means you'll need to come up with $10,000 today to avoid you being put in jail. We're in the process of tracking down a bail bond, but we need to have all that in place before we turn you in, okay?
If anything, this just shows how desperate they are. You are low-hanging fruit. That's all.
Yeah, so this one, I'll try.
They can put Mom in jail.
We know, Mom. We love Mom.
Right, we got it.
We know she didn't do it.
This one here, the Vlad X. Vlad X here.
We all love
Okay, so let's
She lives here, for God's sake.
um
She's been under investigation for a week.
dot
One of
data.
the she would have done it already.
And here you can say hello world.
Good. You're here. Why don't you wait in the kitchen? I'll sort this bond business. It could take a while.
I got you, John.
Nope. It's
We didn't even have jurisdiction.
yeah, this is an asterisk.
Take her in the kitchen. You okay?
We were told Miss Montgomery would be surrendering herself, but that hasn't happened yet. Now Miss Montgomery has no prior arrest record.
Okay, so that's it, guys, kids.
Which makes bail a possibility, even in a gruesome murder such as this.
So this one here, Vlad X.
We're just having a problem with
So Vlad X is from here, the child, and it's getting post here in the web host, and then my message function here should be yeah, doesn't matter, even if you put zzz there, it's gonna be get captured because it's a window event posted from the child iframe into the parent host.
What
Right,
do you even care? This is not
so that's it.
This is still sheriff's
Ajao.
lab. We will have her